So, hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Sunday Swing Top Down Analysis. So, guys, if you want to join my Sunday Swing, how I break down all the trade I'm about to analyze now, if you want to join it, join my Telegram group and you'll be part of my Sunday Swing Top Down Analysis. So, I do a Sunday Swing, I do a Top Down Analysis every Sunday evening. So, join my Telegram to be part of my Sunday Swing. So, let me break that by top 11 pair I'm expecting this week to trade. So guys, the time is currently 7:57 Sunday May period. So we have just 2 to 3 hours before the market open. So first on my list is going to be EURUSD. EURUSD on the weekly time frame, calculated on the weekly time frame. We are currently bearish on the weekly time frame, rejecting this previous resistance. Now using it as a resistance again. Go down to the daily time frame. I clearly see I was in this trade last week and it whipped me out. Still interested on the trade this week, so all I'll be waiting for on this trade to take the trade to the downside. I love the 4 hours. The 4 hours shifted from creating series of higher high, higher low, higher high, now creating series of lower low. All I'm waiting for is the break and retest for me to take the trade to the upside. Break and retest of this 4 hour area of interest, retest EMA, then I take the trade to the downside. Next is going to be Euro card. Sorry, my network seems bad. Euro card on the weekly time frame. Can clearly see the weekly time frame is bullish. Red flag on this trade. You can clearly see I wrote it down. Weekly time frame is bullish, but the daily time frame look cleaner for a set. Are you getting me? So since the weekly is bullish, we don't need to find our area of interest on the weekly time frame. Go down to the daily time frame. I clearly see the daily time frame was creating higher high, higher low, higher high. Now shifted from creating higher high to now lower low, lower high, lower low now. All I'm waiting for, if you go down to the 4 hours time frame, is the pullback to this structure point. We've had the pullback to this structure point, but we were out of session. That was on Friday, last week Friday. So I've been waiting for any pullback for me to take the trade to the downside. Next is going to be NZD card. NZD card on the weekly time frame. NZD card on the weekly time frame. You can clearly see we are currently bullish. We're testing previous structural points. We're testing weekly area of interest. Now we've seen a sign of rejection, a bearish rejection. Go down to the daily time frame. You can see the daily time frame. We are bullish on the daily time frame. This is the higher low and this is the higher high. We're testing previous structural point. All I'll be waiting for me to take the trade. If we go down to the 4 hour time frame, is some rejection around this area of interest for me to take the trade to the upside. Next is going to be GBP card. GBP card on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, can clearly see we are bearish on the weekly time. This is the lower high and this is the lower low. We go down to the daily time frame. Can clearly see the daily will be accumulating here. It will be consolidating at this area, showing sign of slowdown at this area. So all I'll be waiting for is the break out of this support level. Break, retest the support, use it as a resistance for me to the price to go down, for me to take the price this chart to downside. Next is going to be UJPY. Sorry for the way I speak. Next is going to be EURJPY. EURJPY, this is a high risk trade while we're trading against the higher time frame. You can clearly see on the higher time frame, we are currently bullish on the higher time frame. This is the higher low, this is the higher high, and this is the higher low. Go down to the daily time frame. The daily time frame look more cleaner. The daily time frame, this is still bullish on the daily time frame. This is the higher high and this is the higher low. All I'm waiting for is this rejection. I can clearly see we are under a resistance level. Whenever we're under, we sell. Whenever we're under, we sell. Whenever we're under, we sell. Currently now we are under this resistance level and this daily area of interest. We're testing one psychological level, 18.4 18,500. 18,500. If you go down to the 4 hours time frame, you can clearly see all I'll be waiting for is some kind of rejection, or I wait for the market to pull back to this area. Either one of those two. Next is going to be AUDJPY. AUDJPY look more cleaner than EURJPY, but they look similar on the weekly time frame. This is a high risk trade too. Bullish time. The weekly is bullish. We go down to the daily time frame. I can see the daily shifted from creating series of higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low. Now we test the previous structure point. All I'll be waiting for, if we go down to the 4 hours, it will retest this previous structure point. We test 4 hour area of interest. We test one psychological level, 113,500. We test EMA for me to take the trade to the downside. Calculate so whenever we are under, we sell. Whenever we are above, we buy. So all I'll be waiting for is the price to pull back to this area of interest for me to take the trade to the downside. Next is going to be GBP JPY. GBP JPY is similar to AUD JPY. All I'm waiting for is the retracement to this area. Use this EMA as a resistance for me the price to go to the downside. Next is going to be Euro GBP. Euro GBP on the weekly time frame. Euro GBP on the weekly time frame. We can clearly see we've had a head and shoulder pattern created at this weekly area of interest. So all I'll be waiting for is the break and retest out of this daily area of interest for me to take the trade to the downside. Something like this. Have the break, retest, take the trade to the downside. So next is going to be USD JPY. USD JPY, all I'm waiting for, if you go down to the daily time frame, I'm waiting for the pullback to retest this one psychological level, 158,000. Retest EMA, retest weekly area of interest, retest previous structure point. Can see we are retesting multiple area of interest. So retest area of interest, give me a rejection, give me a engulfing, then I take the trade to the downside. Next is last and not the least, is going to be USD CAD. USD CAD, all I'm waiting for is the break and retest out of this daily area of interest. I'm not too interested in USD CAD. I'm not too interested in USD CAD. That's all for the breakdown. So I just need a 1 or 2 weeks to reward, 1 or 2 trades. I'm not going to cash all the trade. I'm not going to enter all the trade. I just need a trade that will give me a 1 to 2 weeks to reward, or a 1 to 3 weeks to reward. I'm done for the week. I'm okay for the week. Are you getting me? So these are the accounts I'm going to be trading this week. One is a demo account and one is a live account. So this is the live account. This is the live account, which is a $14 live account. Try to flip this $14 into $30. I clearly see this is a live account, not a demo account. Look, you can see the history. I just deposited $10 this evening. So this is the demo account. Let me show you the demo account. The demo account is $100. I'll be trying to flip the $100 into $150 or $200. You can clearly see this is a demo account. You can clearly see the balance is sitting at $100 22 cents. I'll be trying to flip this $100 into $150. So let's see how this week will play out. So see you guys on my next video. So if you want to know the trade I caught, join my Telegram group, link on my bio. Join my Telegram, and I drop trade ideas on my Telegram. So join my Telegram and see more GFS trades.